All right, what's up, everybody? This is Larry Porter here, back with another video, back with another daily dose of time freedom. And I want to share with you today how to get started with IntelliTravel. So, I did a video on this about a year or so ago, and I want to show you guys how to enroll as of today. So, I wanted to kind of like elaborate on that a little bit more and give you guys an updated video. So, how do you get started with IntelliTravel? Okay, so about a year or so ago, if you come directly to the IntelliTravel site here, when you try to become a travel advisor, or should I say become a travel agent, you will get a message saying IntelliTravel is no longer accepting new agents. So now you probably trying to sign up now on IntelliTravel site and you see that things have changed a little bit. So we're on the IntelliTravel site right here. So for example, let's say we scroll down and they do have the link here to become a travel agent or advisor. So if we click this, you get a message saying interested in becoming an IntelliTravel advisor. So if you notice here, you no longer can go directly through their website to register as a IntelliTravel travel agent. However, it's still available. They have just partnered with Planet Marketing. They partnered with Planet Marketing, and they highly encourage everyone to go through a Planet Marketing rep in order to become a independent travel agent with IntelliTravel. So if you notice here, it says interested in becoming a IntelliTravel advisor. IntelliTravel's independent travel agent program is available exclusively through our enrollment partner, Planet Marketing. So I want to share that with you guys. You still can become a travel agent. Things just changed up a little bit, but if you stay with me, I'm going to share with you how the enrollment process goes on the Planet Marketing side. We'll be right back after this. Welcome back. So now that you know how you can possibly get started with IntelliTravel by going through Planet Marketing, here's what I'm going to share with you how to do it. Here's how you do that. Like I said earlier, you must go through a Planet Marketing rep. I'm also a Planet Marketing rep. Links in the description below. Here's what you need to do. First, after you click that link below and you land on the Planet Marketing site. All right, so once you click that link below, you'll land on the Planet Marketing site. Okay, every rep name, their name will be up here. So for example, mine says, welcome to the website of Larry Porter. You should see your rep name. Sometimes the rep name changes because we do put certain people up on the different people in our team here. So it may say Yumika one day, it may say Larry, it may say another person. But however, click that link under any one of our videos, you're in the right place. So now that we're on the Planet Marketing site, let me walk you through the enrollment process of becoming an IntelliTravel agent. So first thing you can do, you can click on enroll now. Okay, now we can skip this part for now. The sole purpose of this video is to become an IntelliTravel agent. I'll be going more in depth on how to do both sides of the businesses in future videos, but for the sake of this video, we're going to scroll all the way down to the travel business. Now, Planet Marketing has partnered with IntelliTravel. So on this page here, click on purchase now. And it breaks down the cost of everything, how much it costs, what all comes with it and everything like that, how much the monthly fee is, everything like that. And once you go through that, you click purchase now again. You should land on a pre-registration page. Looks sort of like this. This helps you save time on the next page when registering as a travel agent with IntelliTravel. So basically you just fill all this out here. All right, so now that you pre-registered, all your information should be populated here. If not, you can double check and check all your information, but this is the enrollment form. Okay, so all you have to do is just fill all your detailed information out, your name, address, all that good stuff, and put in your card that'll be charged for the one-time enrollment fee, which is $179. And pretty much just select yes or no to these questions here. And once you get to the bottom, you initial here, then you initial here, check these two boxes and click enroll now. Okay, once you enroll now, you're partnered with IntelliTravel as a travel agent and you can begin doing your training and things of that nature. Okay, so Guys, I hope you found value, and I just wanted to share with you guys that you still can enroll with IntelliTravel, but you must partner with a Planet Marketing rep in order to go through the enrollment process. Okay, you will need a Planet Marketing rep link. So if you do need one, click that link below in the description, and we can walk you through our enrollment process as well. Now it's comment time. I want to know your feedback to this question. Why do you want to become a travel agent? So leave a comment below. I want to know your feedback. Why do you want to become a travel agent? Hope you found value. Like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click that link below for more information on how to enroll with IntelliTravel. See you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.